Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I will be showing you how to crochet this cute panda face mask. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell below, and kindly leave a comment and give me a big thumbs up. These are the materials I used: Monaco acrylic brand of yarn, a pair of scissors, and a crochet hook. Okay, I used 7, a yarn needle. So now let's begin our project. Okay, to begin with, we will make a slip knot. So that is how you do it, and then pull the string to secure our slip knot, and then make 37 chains. This will be the base of our face mask. Or if you have a small face, you can adjust whether you do 37 or you do lower than that. It's up to you. So at the end of 37, count 3 stitches, and then on the 3rd stitch you have to single crochet. Okay, that is how you do it. Single crochet, and then count until you have to single crochet until you reach 9th loop. So in each loop you have to make 1 single crochet. So 1 single crochet in the first 9 loops. Okay, so just continue single crochet until you reach 9th loop. Alright, this is for beginners. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So in the 10th loop, we have to yarn over because we will make half double crochet, and then insert the hook, and then on 3 string pull through. So that is how you do half double crochet. Okay, just continue until you can make 17 half double crochet. 17. Okay, and this you have to count your work so that you can make balanced. So at the end of 17th loop of our single double crochet, half double crochet, so we have to single crochet on the rest of 9 loops. Okay, just continue single crochet on the 9 loops remaining until you reach the end of the other side. Okay, so we are now at the end. Alright, so at the end of the other side, you have to single crochet, chain 1, so flip, and then you have to reach until 18 rounds. Okay, 18 rounds. Okay, so we are now at the 18th round. So we are done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Okay, so after doing 18 rounds of repeated single crochet and half double crochet and another single crochet, so we will make 20 chains. This is for the string for our ear. So you have to count, you have to make 20 chains, or you can decrease, you can measure it with your face. If you have, or if you have children, you can measure it with their faces. So it's up to you if you will decrease it. Just count this stitches. Okay, so we are now done with 20 chains, and then slip knot on the other side of slip stitch, okay, on the other side of our face mask, and then okay, chain one, and then cut the yarn and pull through. So this will be our string for our ear. Okay, that is how you do it. A very easy round. Okay, so repeat the process on the other side. Make 20 chains. So to do the string on the other side, we have to insert the hook on the edge, and then we have to get our yarn, and then chain one. Okay, and then make 20 chains, so just like the other side. To make the ears of our panda, let's count 13 loops from the edge, and then on the 13th loop, insert your hook, and then grab your black yarn. Okay, chain one, and then secure the string, another chain, and then make half double crochet on the same space where you insert your hook. On the next space, okay, insert your hook, and then make a double crochet. The same space, this is the second double crochet. Okay, and then make one triple crochet on the same space, or in the same loop. Okay, the next triple crochet on the next stitch. All right, one triple crochet, then on the same loop, make 2 double crochets. On the next, make half double crochet, and in the same space, okay, that is how it looks like. At the same space, slip knot, and then yarn over, cut your yarn, and then pull through. Alright, that is how your panda's ears look like. Okay, the same on the other side. Count 13 loop, and then on the 13th loop, the same process. Okay, insert again, and then okay, just do the same process. Okay, chain one, make half double crochet in the same space. So in this part, you have to do what you did on the other side of the ear. Okay, so don't forget to count 13 from the edge of your face mask, and then on the 13th loop, you have to insert your hook, and then make grab your yarn, your black yarn, and then make a chain, and then in the same space, so make half double crochet. So half double crochet, and then in the next space, 2 double crochets and 1 triple crochet. On the next, 1 triple crochet and 2 double crochet. Okay, so on the next space, make half double crochet. just like the other side. And then okay, cut your okay, slip knot, and then cut your yarn. So that is how the ears of our panda looks like. Okay, for our eyes, make a magic ring, and then on the magic ring, chain 2. Then on the magic ring, make 10 double crochets. So yarn over, insert your hook on this ring, and then pull through twice. Okay, so that is how it looks like. Make 10 double crochets. At the end of 10 double crochets, again slip knot, slip stitch, and then cut your yarn. Once we're done with our eyes, so let's make for our mouth. So make a magic ring and then chain 1. On the magic ring, make 10 single crochets. So for our eyes, 2 chains and then 10 double crochets. But for our mouth, because it is smaller than the eyes, so we will make 10 single crochets. Okay, the same process as you make the eyes of our cute panda. Okay, cut the yarn, grab your yarn needle. Let us attach the necessary parts of our panda. Okay, just follow the tutorial, just follow the video. Okay, the eyes of the panda is already attached, so this time we have to attach the mouth of our panda. Okay, so just form it with a little bit of triangular shape. Okay, so that will make the what you call this, the other part of the mouth. So this part is this is very easy, so just follow the video that you have seen so that you can do this cute panda face mask. Kung Fu Panda. Okay, just use your yarn needle and your black yarn. Okay, this time it is an error an error occurred. Okay, I repeat the process of making the mouth of the panda. Okay, very cute. So that is how your work looks like. I find it so cute because panda is really cute, you know. Okay, so we are done. For yeah, that is how our panda looks like. to emphasize the cuteness of our panda, we will make this. We will sew some white accent of our panda's eyes, so that it will ano sa English, magiging cute siya tignan. So cute kay siya. So na siya. Ang dami kong sew sa ano, lagi akong may sew. Parang sa lahat ng video na ginagawa ko may sew. In this tutorial, you can choose whether you have to make a lining so that you can have your removable filter, but in this video I am not showing you because I already did that in my previous face mask video tutorial. So I will just put the link on the description below, so that it's up to you if you have to make some lining for your face mask. Alright, so now we are done with our very cute panda inspired face mask. Now it's your turn to make this cute project. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed this face mask tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell below, and kindly leave a comment, and please give me a big thumbs up.